Okay, I'm back. I brought with me, this is one of our manifolds or solenoids, air solenoids for the valve. This, I don't have the brackets to mount it. There's a mounting bracket that'll actually allow us to mount it on the valve. But for test purposes, I brought this in. This solenoid is part number 0100P-017. When you get it, you'll notice the configuration. There should be a plug in the back. On this side, there's a cover that you pull it off to expose the electrical connections. If we're looking at it this way, I'll run through very quickly. This is the input, so this is where your air in. This side here is normally open, so if there's no power going to the solenoid, this would be open and you would have air going here. We will put this on the closed side of the actuator, and then this one would be the, when it actuates, it would put air through here to open the valve. So to wire this up just for test purposes, I have some air hose here. Let's see, that might have made it a little more difficult on myself. This one I'm going to put here into the closed side of the valve, and I'll run it right here onto the normally open side. And then the other tube I'm going to run here to open the valve, and that will go to the other side for the normally open. To test this out, I've got a little test rig on my shop compressor. We'll put that here on the input side of the solenoid, and I can air it up. I'll actually, hold on, before I air it up, I'll open up the valve here. I did that a little too early. Let's see. I created a vacuum, so it didn't work. So just to show you, so I'm going to put air in the system right now. So here it is airing up. You'll notice the valve closed because that's the normally open, no power to it. And so that makes sure that the valve stays shut when there's no power. If the system's aired up, it ensures that the valve stays shut. I'm now going to take my my clips here and put power to the paddles here. I don't know if we can see this easily on the camera, but there we are. And when I put power to it, what you'll see is it'll actuate and it'll open the valve. Okay, and then if I take the power away, okay, one more time, power, and I take it away. That's how it should work. I'll turn the air to my system off. I'll actually air down the system. And that's how it goes. So that's for a solenoid, the electric actuated solenoid that we would put in there. So this manifold, again, is part number 0100P-017. Now, for a moment, I'm going to take these off, and I'll be right back to show you a switch that might be on some older coaches.